First thing first, thanks YJ for letting me to test this cube out, and thanks to Siew for passing the cube to me. So this is the new YJ MGC Elite. It's YJ's newest 3x3 flagship, so let's get right into this. So here's the puzzle. In first glance, it looks pretty much good to go, and the pieces looks very nice to grip as well, and it has an M logo, which looks pretty cool. Alright, so let's do some first turns. Okay, so far this cube turns absolutely amazing. I can't say it's like the best cube I've ever felt off the box so far, but it's pretty decent and it feels very smooth as well. And the plastic feels a lot softer than the MGC V2. Let's try corner cutting. 35, good. A little bit past that. Okay, decent. A little over that. Okay, the reverse. It's pretty good, pretty easy, yeah, pretty nice. So this cube is pretty nice so far. Let's see the magnets. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see that, but now the magnet is pointing. Ooh, wait, what? Okay, so 3 of these magnets are pointing outwards, whereas this magnet, however, is pointing inwards. Okay, so I'm not sure what's going on right now. Maybe I'll fix that later. But the magnet strength right now is pretty good. It's very nice to my liking. I think I like this kind of strong magnets. And inside has primary internals, which may give a smooth feel to the cube. And let's see this one. Okay, so it's I'm not sure how to do this, but I can't really see the numbers inside. Maybe I'll twist. Yeah, you can actually use your hand to twist. So pretty cool. I guess I'll deal with that later. So in case you want to know how to adjust the magnets, you can use a flathead screwdriver, and there's a hole in there, so you can just put the flathead screwdriver like that and then twist, and then it'll snap to 180 degrees. So you just twist and twist. So if the magnet is pointing inwards to the core, that means the magnet is weak, while if the magnet is pointing outside, which further from the core, it means the magnet is stronger. So it depends on if you want strong magnets or weak magnets. Let's try to do a solve. Okay. Oops. Okay. Pretty good so far.